Add 3 drops of oregano oil to water and see what happens to your lungs. May 28, 2016 by admin. Pneumonia is an infection of one or both lungs which is usually caused by bacteria, viruses, or fungi. Prior to the discovery of antibiotics, 1/3 of all people who developed pneumonia subsequently died from the infection. Currently, over 3 million people develop pneumonia each year. Over 500,000 of these people are admitted to a hospital for treatment. Although most of these people recover, approximately 5% will die from pneumonia. Pneumonia is also known to be the 6th leading cause of death worldwide. The most common cause of a bacterial pneumonia is Streptococcus pneumoniae. In this form of pneumonia, there is usually an abrupt onset of the illness with shaking, chills, fever, and production of a rust-colored sputum. The infection spreads into the blood in 20%, 30% of cases, known as sepsis, and if this occurs, 20%, 30% of these patients die. Antibiotics as treatment. Antibiotics often used in the treatment of this type of pneumonia include penicillin, amoxicillin and clavulanic acid, augmentin, and macrolide antibiotics including erythromycin, azithromycin, and clarithromycin. Penicillin was formerly the antibiotic of choice in treating this infection. With the advent and widespread use of broader-spectrum antibiotics, significant drug resistance has developed. Penicillin may still be effective in treatment of pneumococcal pneumonia, but it should only be used after cultures of the bacteria confirm their sensitivity to this antibiotic. Add 3 drops of oregano oil to water and see what happens to your lungs. Oregano oil been used for centuries in Far Eastern and Middle Eastern cultures to treat respiratory infections, chronic inflammation, urinary tract infections, dysentery, and jaundice. Laboratory studies in which the oil was applied directly to foodborne pathogens showed that oregano oil has strong antibacterial properties. Dodalioglu et al. 2004. Medicinal oregano has a high mineral content that enhances its therapeutic benefits, including calcium, magnesium, zinc, potassium, copper, boron, and manganese. This oil is considered safe for humans and may be used in conjunction with antibiotics to fight bacterial infection. Prus et al. 2005. It is also known as an excellent early defense mechanism when you feel cold or sore throat coming on. Simply take 3 drops of oregano oil once per day. You can mix it into a glass of orange juice, and you should notice results within a few hours. Repeat this once per day for up to 5 days until the symptoms are gone. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is also used as home remedy. It is a substance that is found naturally in all living things. It acts to neutralize acids and break down proteins. Its purpose is to maintain pH balance in the bloodstream, which is necessary to sustain life. Take note that one of the most important processes in our body is the process by which the pH balance is maintained. Body pH measures the number of hydrogen ions in solution within the body. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. The neutral or balanced pH is 7. Anything lower is acidic and anything higher is basic. An acidic pH has a low ability to attract hydrogen ions, while an alkaline solution has a high ability to attract hydrogen ions. If you wonder, P stands for potential and H stands for hydrogen. Henceforth, the potential of the body to attract hydrogen ions to secure balance and health. If we keep our body with an alkaline pH between 7.3 and 7.4, we will remain free of disease. And by raising pH increases the immune system's ability to kill bacteria. Since viruses and bacteria that cause bronchitis and colds and secondary infections such as pneumonia thrive in an acidic environment, rising the pH will destroy these pathogens. To fight a respiratory infection and dampen symptoms such as a runny nose and sore throat, taking an alkalizing mixture of sodium bicarbonate and potassium bicarbonate will certainly help. And to reverse pneumonia, asthma, sinusitis, do some nebulizer with water and 2 drops of liquid sodium bicarbonate, 2 or 3 times a day. As an acid neutralizer, baking soda has long been favored for its various first aid applications. Dissolved into a lukewarm bath, it will soothe the discomfort of sunburn and the itch of poison ivy. Made into a paste with cool water and applied directly to the skin, it will ease the pain of bee stings. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda mixed into 4 ounces, 120 ml, of water can be taken as an antacid. Article originally published on livingtraditionally.com, republished with permission. http://livingtraditionally.com/add-3-drops-of-oregano-oil-to-what-happens-your-lungs